Welcome back to my channel. That's Olympus Mons, and hope you are all doing well. Okay, so I brought another video that tells you the solution of another hit that is about, let's see, what's that? Downloads. Okay, so that's about related page case study. Okay, let's go through the solutions. Okay, so first screenshot. Okay, so it's the six best TV summer 2022. So, and this one best TV 2022 or top 10 smart TV. So that is actually not similar. It's actually related. So click on related. Okay, so I was drawing this. So click on related. Okay. Second, how to remove mildew from clothes with vinegar. 4 easy steps. That is always correct. So it is unrelated. So if you get this, step, just select unrelated. Okay, so next it is about classic lotto, the Ohio lottery. It scratch off the Ohio lottery. So these are the similar stories, so select similar. Okay, so I was writing this. Next, lost LAUSD Office 365 login. So it's Outlook, so they are unrelated. So this one is talking about Office 365 and this one is the mail email software, that is Outlook. So these are not related, so they are unrelated. Okay. Second is the Miraculous Ladybug Wiki fandoms, and this was games for PC, mobile, headphones, so they are totally unrelated. So click on unrelated. Okay, and this one is the news archives, real in the road news. This is title is Sariare. There's absolutely no relation to these two articles, so select unrelated. Okay. Next, Elon Musk asked Twitter followers about selling Tesla stocks, and this is a list of companies owned by Elon Musk till now. So they are slightly related because they're talking about Elon Musk and Tesla and Twitter bot articles. Okay, but they are related, not the same. So just select related. Next, third grade learning games ages 8 to 9 ABCY. So Wildcrats PBS Kids, they are about related. They are talking about games of the kids, so they are related. So click on related. Next, Elon Musk asked Twitter followers about some Tesla stocks. Again, they are winners investing, so they are related. I selected unrelated, so I was wrong. So select related. Okay, so they are talking about the billionaires. So select related. Next, the Florida driving record, Florida DMV. And this one is a state of Florida, .com Florida driving records. So they're talking about the same thing. So similar. So the stories are similar. Okay, so select similar. Next, NFL football on teamrankings.com. The fantasy football leagues, ranking news picks, more ESPN. So they are related stories. They are talking about football rankings. Okay, so select related. Okay. Distribution center jobs, Walmart carriers. This one is a Sam S Club jobs, Sam S Club jobs. They are related. So click on related. So I was correcting this. Next, aging taxes, health and human services. Your taxes benefits they are, and human services they are related. So select related. Next, to remove moldy from clothes with vinegar 4, and how to remove moldy mold from the clothes. The banking soda, they are related. So they're talking about articles talking about how to remove the stains from the clothes. Okay, so they are related. Next, the U.S. state capitals map quiz game, states and capitals U.S. map quiz. So they are related, similar. Okay, the similar stories. So select similar. And the Nintendo Switch OLED model W White, and this one is Xbox series. They are related. They are talking about games. Xbox is different. The Nintendo Switch is different, but they are both games. So select related. Now in the Switch again, Xbox series, they are related. Okay. Okay, Taliban's Afghanistan takeover and the history of the Taliban, they are related. So what talking about the Taliban? So select related. Next, the Taliban's Afghanistan takeover and history of ancient Middle East. They are also they're not related because it's talking about ancient Middle East. This one is talking about Afghanistan. So Taliban's takeover, so they are unrelated. So select unrelated. Okay, Adams County PS election information Gettysburg connections assigned to the total unrelated. So select unrelated. Okay. Next, Nintendo Switch OLED and Joy-Cons for Nintendo Switch, they are the related because it's about talking about the Nintendo Switch, and they are both unrelated. Need answers fast, and there is welcome back, and they are totally unrelated. Something gibberish is on the website. So select unrelated. So I was incorrect. I selected related. I was wrong. So select unrelated. And the Sony A80 and this Best Buy Black Friday, that's a 2021 deal start now. They are totally unrelated, right? So select unrelated. Okay, so that's all for today.